So in this video, I'm going to be creating a basic report and then another report using the report wizard. So for the basic report, it says for employee commissions all quarters. So I'm going to click on that query just to have it highlighted. Then you go to Create tab in the top left, and then you click Report, which is in the Reports section between macros and code and the forms. Report, and then it asks me to create a report based on the sales by employee table, which is right here. So then I'm going to go back to the Create tab, click the Report Wizard in the Reports section. This is going to allow us to really customize our report. All three fields to the report, which is employee ID, the quarter sales, and actual sales. So you're going to double click each of those. And you're going to hit Next. And then it says, do you want any grouping? And it actually asks us to remove the existing grouping. It's done by clicking this arrow right here. So as you can see, we remove the employee ID grouping, and it asks us to remove the field and group the data by quarter. So then we're going to double click the quarter, and then as you can see, it's now grouping by quarter. So we're going to click Next, and then it's going to ask sort order and summary information. So it doesn't ask us to sort in any certain way, but we're going to click the summary options, and it asks us to calculate the average actual sales. So where we see actual sales, we're going to move our mouse over to where it says average, and we're going to check that box, and then hit OK. And it says accept the remaining default options to complete the wizard. So we're going to keep clicking Next. And all of this is okay, and it asks us to keep the default title. We're going to hit Finish.